name's Jim Bronzo. I run Second Chance Wildlife Sanctuary in East Orlando. I'm on a park called Craft Azalea Park in Winter Park on Alabama Road, right on the Winter Park chain. There's a massive rookery of great white herons, great herons, cormorants, and hingas, and great blue herons. This rookery is immense. It's grown in the last 10 years since Hurricane Charlie. Wherever they were previously must have been destroyed during the storm, so now they're over here close to the road, and we have a huge dilemma that is not getting fixed by the city, is not getting even noticed by the city. I've received emails back from them saying that's just nature, Jim, there's going to be mortality rate and blah, 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 and this is true to a certain extent. The problem is with this rookery is they're right on the road, they're right by heavy traffic of kayakers and joggers, and these nests are low, and the parents get startled and they're kicking everybody out of the nest. Every morning I'm finding 5 to 6 dead baby chicks, and some alive. And the live ones we can rescue. Problem is no one seems to be doing anything, and this happens every single year. Next year we don't want this problem. We want to raise money to pay the rangers, give them overtime to sweep this park 3 times, 4 times a day, where these chicks do have a chance. I mean, yes, nature is cruel, and the young ones get kicked out and wind blows them out. I understand all that, but not 250 in 5 weeks. That's insane. And I've dealt with this stuff my whole life, and this is just not normal. Okay, here's a couple that fell out of that nest right there. Obviously this guy didn't make it, has ants on it. This one will make it. The mother will not take care of it anymore. This will have to go to a rehabber where they feed it round the clock fish. If no one found this bird in 3 hours, it would have been dead. Red ants would have covered it. This is an hinga. These are the ones that nest higher than the egrets. And this is what we're trying to prevent. We're trying to pay people to come by, do a walkthrough basically. Instead of 250 dead baby birds, there might be 20 dead baby birds. So that's our goal. This is a busy, busy road, Alabama. These trees hang right over that road. When the chicks fall on the road, naturally they're gonna get smashed. It's a constant flow. These birds are not used to that, and the mothers get agitated and accidentally knock all the chicks out of the nest, not just one. So again, this is what we're trying to prevent. So this one's going back to the sanctuary. No amount of money is too small to help these birds. They desperately need it. So every penny that we get in donations is going to go help pay for police officers, off-duty park rangers, volunteers. We just do not want this to happen again next year. So I appreciate any help anybody can give. Thank you.